This is an Abus 7230. It can be raked. I'm going to use a Cobra Instruments wave rake and the multi-pick top of the keyway tool. And I'll just see if I can get in real quick. So we're going to lock that back up. I'm going to switch over to the multi-pick 15 thousandths. So nothing on 1, 2, 3. Okay, so nothing on 1, nothing on 2, nothing on 3, nothing on 4. Okay, that's strange. Oh, no wonder. I'm tensioning the wrong way. Nothing on 1, nothing on 2, nothing on 3. There's something at 4. So 1, 2, and 3 opens it up. But that is the Abus 7230.